I've got a ZD326 Kubota here. I'm working on it, and the PTO doesn't want to engage properly. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's a really simple fix. All you got to do is come down here. This is the PTO bar that comes from the lever. Okay, I want to take that clip right there off. Get that clip popped out over top of that little knob right there and just pull it to your left. It's a funny looking little clip, but it stays on there really tight. Don't have to worry about it coming off. Now there's another clip right there. I'll take these two bolts out with a 12mm socket. Move this plate right here. Now I have access to this. Now that plate's out of the way, just go ahead and wiggle this right off. And you should be able to pull it right up through here. I got a 7/16 impact deep well socket. I'm going to put a breaker bar on it. I'm going to put it right on here. Now I'm going to bend that down a little bit. And if you don't think you got it bent down far enough, don't break it or bend it too bad. Take a ratchet with that same extension. Put it on there just like that. Now pull. And now I'll try that out and see if that works. Now go ahead and put it back together the same way you took it apart. Okay, I'm going to show you that that actually worked. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.